Yo, this what y'all been up to? Yo, this looks incredible. That's lobster tail, beef ribs, shrimp, macaroni salad, rice. Oh boy, y'all, we done pulled up to Moon Grill Hawaiian BBQ over here in Ontario, and I had just heard about this spot. Y'all saw him on Instagram. I decided to pull up because I was in the area. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they was doing it like this. And then the whole thing, 30 bones. Oh boy, what a deal. We gonna try it out. Let's do a quick prayer first. Let's hands on that. Let the Moon Grill Hawaiian BBQ, let Hawaiian people, let Hawaii, let Ontario. And when I walked in, it was packed, y'all. They even got a sign that said, if you don't like your food, we'll remake it. Talk about confident. I might eat half and say I don't like it, just to get that remake. See what we doing, man. Oh boy. Ain't no lobster in the shell. It's all for show. Bro, literally, who am I? Ooh, this either gonna be incredible, y'all, or it's all looks. Either way, I'm nervous.
Night after night, seems like I rage against the moon.
They can't keep doing
But
this.
it don't ever like the dark. No, I curse the falling rain, but it won't stop for my
Goddamn is an understatement. Goddamn, it don't feel like I'm doing it justice. God damn! It don't feel like I'm doing it don't feel like I'm doing enough. That's the most tender, sweet, flavorful rib I've probably ever eaten. It fell right off. It didn't even fall off the bone. It jumped off the bone. Bungee jumped. I didn't know the best meal I was gonna have in the past 3 months was gonna be in Ontario at a Hawaiian spot, y'all. I did not know. Solid. Let me hurry through this, y'all. I didn't play with that rib for too long. All right, new mission. Let's see what don't hit, because so far everything is GD times 10,000. All right, rice is a little basic. Woo! I was like, man, y'all can make anything good. Rice is cool, but it's just rice. It's just rice. Lobster. Lobster cool too, nothing exceptional. It's a good lobster, nothing exceptional. It was making me nervous with the rib, the chicken, and the mac. Oh boy! Finish off with the shrimp and the Cajun sauce. So I said, "Now you do too much." Oh. Yes!